Hello everyone, today I'll be drawing Ahsoka Tano. This is my first voiceover, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm a little late to International Women's Day, but I wanted to finish this drawing as a part of a little surprise I have going on. So there I am inking the head, or what they're called. I loved inking the head things. Her eyelashes, very nice. Her face markings required a lot of precision with that nice fine pen. So I know a lot of people in the Star Wars fandom really hated Ahsoka when she first came out in the Clone Wars movie, but I'll be honest, that movie came out when I was 12. Ooh, and I love thickening the outside lines. That's my favorite part. I was literally 12 when the movie came out, so I honestly related to her. But it's nice because I feel like, oh, I made a mistake. Don't mind that. I feel like I really related to her and her growth. Like she definitely started out pretty arrogant and she became a fully realized woman, fully realized Jedi. Nice dark lips, yes. Had a lot of fun diffusing the background here. Look at that. Her name in the background I couldn't record, but it's basically in the original Star Wars font. So, yeah, I hope you like my voiceover, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!